Yeah, after operation, this is what I have. It's still leaking. Plenty of blood coming from my nose. So, I'm sorry. I have to put something. And I have this. The operation went well, so I have to take it easy for the moment. But it's good. I love the doctors here. They are so nice. They are so gentle. And they're humble. Sunway. Where it is? Sunway Medical. Bye-bye. I have to take rest for the moment because if not, I'll not be okay. It takes 2 hours the operation. 2 hours, and then I have a general anesthesia, so it takes 10 to 1:30. 3 hours before I'm awake. And here, I don't know where I got this. It's maybe because I have a dry lips, or I don't know. I don't have enough. I don't have much liquid because I didn't drink my water yet. And I did the fasting since yesterday, 10 p.m. Now, time check is 15. So, 3 o'clock exactly. Okay. Bye-bye, guys. Don't hesitate to do the operation for your sinusitis because it's very important. They found I don't know what it is. It's similar to cyst in my right side of my nose, inside. Here. They remove it. I'm so lucky that our insurance is covering all the cost of medical. Thank you, love. Thank you to my husband for having such a good insurance. If not, this is so much expensive. It is around 40,000 ringgit. I don't know how much it is. It costs like 40,000 ringgit. It's very expensive operation. But because we have insurance, so it's covered. Thank you, MSH Insurance. MSH International Insurance is the best. Thank you so much. I did a lot of operation here in Sunway. I did my ACL for my right knee, and now I have a good knee now. Now I did my sinusitis operation and it went well. So thank you. I'm very happy. I'm suffering from this sinusitis since when I was since when I was 18 years old, I think. Now I'm 35. So it's quite so long already. So here we go. Okay, guys, I have to. Opla, it's coming out again. I'm sorry. It's so disgusting for you to watch my nose. But this is this is really what it is. After the operation, you have plenty of blood coming from your nose, so it's not easy. And then it go through my larynx here. So I have to remove because plenty of blood. So far, so well. So far, it's good. I'm happy. I hope the recovery takes just a week or faster than 1 week. I really hope so. So, thank you. Thank you to God for successful operation. Thank you for my husband for having such a good insurance. MSH insurance, and thank you for my mom who supported me here, who's with me by my side during the operation. She's here in my room. Me, I am in the operating room, but I'm happy someone is with me during the operation. The doctors here are so nice. I love them. Even Dr. Raymond for my knee. It went well. Thank you so much. Thank you, doctor. Now, for my ENT, for my ear, nose, throat, Dr. Lisa. Wait. Dr. Laura Lisa, thank you so much. She's so nice. I have a single premium room. It's not bad. You can see I have a small sofa. I have my own toilet. Yeah. I have my own TV. I have my own room. This is what I mean. I have plenty of blood. Sorry guys, it's so much. So far, I'm very happy. Okay guys, I have to take a rest because it seems long. It's not so long. It's so many hours. The general anesthesia doctor is so nice. Sunway Medical. Thumbs up. Thank you so much. I'm so ugly. I have blood everywhere. Peace. Bye-bye, guys.